Welcome to all the dear students of class 7. I am your course teacher Sudip Pujjar. Now we want to discuss about tense. In this second paper subject, one topic is included in your final syllabus is tense. Now we will discuss about it. First we will discuss about tense, that what is tense. Tense means the time of accomplishing of a verb, of action of a verb is called tense. If we can write the time of accomplishing any action of a verb or tense. We know that the time of accomplishing any action of a verb is called tense. মানে কোনো কাজ করার সময়কে কি বলা হয়? টেন্স। এখন আমরা জানবো সেটা হচ্ছে টেন্সের প্রকার, দ্য ক্লাসিফিকেশন অফ টেন্স। Tense is divided in three parts. First part is called present tense. Second part is called past tense, and third part is called future tense. So tense is divided into three parts. First part is called present tense, second part is past tense, and third part is future tense. Now we will discuss about the subdivided parts of every tense. First one is present tense. The first part of tense is present tense. Now, present tense is also divided in four parts. First part is present, indefinite tense. Second part is present continuous tense. Third part present perfect tense. So we know that present tense is divided in another 4 parts. From this part, first part is present indefinite tense, second part is present continuous tense, then third part is present perfect tense, and fourth part is present perfect continuous tense. We will write it later. Now we know, we want to know that the structure for making a sentence in every tense. How you can make a sentence in every tense? So you should follow a structure of every tenses. Here, the present indefinite tense, you can follow a structure such as subject plus verb 1 plus object. You can write this structure in your script. First one is subject plus verb 1. Verb 1 means the present form of verb. I think you should know in class 7 in this chapter of strong verb and weak verbs, you must know that what is verb 1. Verb 1 means present form of verb. Then object. So this is the structure for making a sentence in present indefinite tense. So we can make a example by following this structure. Subject I, verb eat. Obviously it is verb 1 means present form of verb, so eat. Object rice. This is a sentence for present indefinite. Subject I, verb eat, and object rice. So I eat rice. Now we want to go in present continuous tense. First we write the structure for making a sentence in present continuous tense. Structure is subject plus, then we use some auxiliary verb and oblique is oblique a, and oblique is oblique a. Then we use verb plus ing. Verb plus ing. It means adding ing with the verb plus object. This is the structure for present continuous tense. First we write subject plus the auxiliary verb and is are, then verb plus ing with adding ing with verb, then object. Now we make an example for it. Subject is I, and with the subject we can use the auxiliary verb and, then verb is eat, then we can add ing, eating, object is I am eating. This is one kind of example for present continuous tense which we make by following the structure of present continuous tense. Now we want to go to present perfect tense. The structure for making a sentence in present perfect tense is subject plus, here we also use two auxiliary and oblique s. Then we use the verb 3. Verb 3. Verb 3 means the past participle form of a verb plus object. If we follow the structure, we know that First one is subject plus the two auxiliary verb is had or has. Then verb 3 means the past participle form of verb. Then plus object. Now we make an example here. Subject is I, and always use had auxiliary verb with the subject I had. Verb 3, eat, had is verb. So the past participle form or the third form of verb of eat is eaten. Then object is rice. I have eaten rice. This is one of the example and sentence of present perfect tense. Now we want to go in present perfect continuous tense, which is another part of present tense. I think you should write everything in your script. Fourth part of present tense is present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous tense. Now we write the structure for making a sentence in present perfect continuous tense, and it is subject plus. Here we also use two auxiliary verb is had been oblique had plus verb with ing plus object. If you follow that, first we write subject plus add two auxiliary verb is had been and has been, then by adding ing with the verb, then object. Now we can make an example or a sentence in present perfect continuous tense. Subject is I, and we can use auxiliary verb had been, and verb is ate, and with adding ing is for eating, object is rice. So I have been eating rice. This is one of the sentence or example for present perfect continuous tense. I think you should write all the things in your script and better understand put all the things here. Now I want to say something to you. When you read any kind of text, you should follow the structure for every kind of text. There the structure of a tense. Then how can you make a sentence of a tense? If you follow or read or understand the structure of a tense, you must make any kind of sentence of any kind of tenses, or you can judge which sentence or which sentence or what sentence will be right for every tenses. This was a part of present tense. Now we want to go to past tense. First we know that tense is divided into three parts: present, past and future. So here past tense is also divided in 4 parts. First one is past indefinite tense. Second one is past continuous tense. Third one is past perfect tense. First one is past indefinite tense, second one is past continuous tense, then third one is past perfect tense, and fourth one is past perfect continuous tense, which we will write in there. Then we write the structure for making a sentence in past indefinite tense. Structure is first is subject plus verb to plus object. Verb to means the past form of verb. So subject is I. Here we use the verb is eat. Then the past form of verb of eat is ate. Ate. Object is rice. So this is a sentence for past indefinite tense. I ate rice. The subject is it. Then the past form of eat verb is ate. Ate. Then we can write the object is rice. Then now we want to go there in past continuous tense. The structure is subject plus. Here we use some auxiliary verbs such as was, oblique, were. Then verb plus ing plus object. First we write subject, then we use was and were, these two auxiliary verbs. Then verb is adding with ing and then object. Subject is I. With I, we can use the auxiliary verb I was. Verb is eat. With adding ing. I was eating rice. Then we want to go past perfect tense. Structure is subject plus. Here we use only one auxiliary verb is had plus verb 3 plus object. If we follow the structure, subject plus had plus verb 3 plus object. So subject is I. Had. Verb 3 means the past participle form of verb. So the verb was eat. The past participle form of verb eat is eaten, and object is rice. I had eaten rice. One thing should in your mind. Everyone should write the structure of every tenses in your script very carefully. If you write it carefully and understand very sharply, you must make any kind of sentences in any kind of tenses by following the structure of every tense. Now we want to go, the another parts of past tense is past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense, which we can't write for our place shorts. Past perfect continuous tense. We can write the structure for making a sentence for the past perfect continuous tense. Here we first write the subject plus. Here we can use the auxiliary verb is had been plus verb with adding ing plus first we can write the subject plus we can use the auxiliary verb is had been, then adding ing with the verb and object. Now we can make a sentence for past perfect continuous tense by following the structure. Subject is I. Then we can use the auxiliary verb had been. Verb was eat, and we can adding ing with the verb. It's called eating. Then the object is rice. So I had been eating rice. This was a sentence for past perfect continuous tense. This is our discussion between present tense and past tense. I think you should understand all the things very well and should write all the structure with every tenses you speak very sharp. Now I want to give you some sentence which you can change it in another tenses. If you change it in another tenses, you can understand very well all the tense very sharp. First one is Rohini has eaten rice. So you can make it in present continuous tense. Second one is Mita wrote a letter, and you can make it in past perfect. Shima was playing cricket. You can make it in past perfect continuous. Rohim has been playing football. You can make it in past indefinite tense. These are the 4 tenses I have given you, and you can make it in different tenses. And I think if you make it in different tenses by following the structure which I was reading above, so you must understand all the things of tenses in present tense and past tense. And our class is in here today. In next class, we will discuss about future tense and the other parts of future tense and how can we make the sentence by following the structure of every future tense. So this is the end of our class, everyone. And I say thank you, everyone. And I think you should stay at home and should help you study very well, and all by hope better all one. I say thank you everyone.